up, you guys? We're back with another small business vlog. I have a few orders to make today. A couple tumblers, a couple t-shirts. T-shirts I'm using DTF transfers, and the cups will be using sublimation. So got a pretty busy day. It's a Saturday and I'm on the floor right now because I was getting my stuff together. I'll take you guys along the journey, these orders out to these customers, and enjoy the video. Alright, this is the first sheet of transfers I got. These two are for customers and the rest are going to be for personal use. So we got voting prevents unwanted presidencies. So that's for a customer. And then we got this cool Halloween image. And for football season, we got both game day images. And then I got a game day for my daughter for when she goes to her high school games. Another Halloween image, and then this cute pumpkin season image for my shirt. I think that's so cute. Another game day shirt, and then a bruh ghost for my son. That's gonna be very cute. So gonna get these cut up and get to work. That's what we're looking like. All right, you guys, so I am now in Kolekut Design Space. Have to do a name on the back of a shirt, so I'm working on that right now. I'm gonna use white vinyl, just freshly opened right there. And as you see, I am in Kolekut Design Space. So just make sure when you are using HTV that you are mirroring the image. Sorry, you want to mirror the image. Make sure you have the correct mat, and make sure you put enough vinyl on. So here it's stopping at 12. So I want to make sure I cut it a little bit over 12 so it doesn't cut it too short. So I'm going to get this on the mat, go ahead and weed this out and place this on the shirt. What's up, you guys? Nisi here, back with another video. Today is Saturday, October 19th, and it's a beautiful day. It's October. It feels like 65 degrees, but it feels like 75. So me and the kids are going to head to the park, touch some grass, get out there, have a little fun, play a little tennis. And yeah, I just decided to pick up the camera and show you guys my day. Unproductive mommy day. So the fit I have on, mommy sweatshirt. Be sure to cop that in my Etsy shop. Got their names on the sleeve, and then with the little heart there. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along on my off day, Saturday, and you guys gonna watch me play some tennis. I haven't played in a long time, and I'm gonna play in Crocs too, so can't wait to see how that's gonna turn out. So yeah, I'll call you guys in a bit. Guys, so I got all the kiddos with me. Kayla, Cammy. Say hi, Cammy.
Hi, Cammy.
No, say hey, everybody. You so shy. You shy?
Hi.
I'm a little shy. It's been a minute.
Bruh!
What? Alright, so we're trying to debate on where we can get a basketball pump needle. And then I need gas, but I think we're gonna be okay. Alright, so we're off to Walmart. Okay, we are here getting gas before we start our adventure. Dang, I parked super close. Jeez. Got our gas. the sanitizer. Now we're ready to roll. We ready? Ready, Cammy? We made it in Walmart. Oh, Calendar balls is $188. Yeah. What'd you do, buddy? No, go get it. All right, so we're in here looking for a needle for our basketball because it is flat. Huh? Okay, my daughter found it. Oh, nice. Got the whole little thing. That is exactly what we need. Look at this, y'all. Disrespect. Just buy the whole thing. We made it to the tennis court. Cammy got his toys over there. We got our tennis rackets. I don't know if you guys saw the last video. We got these at Goodwill. And my daughter retaped the bottom part of it. She did a really good job. And this would be kind of our first time trying it. What you doing, Cam Bam? Make sure you stay over here, okay? You ready, girly? So yeah, there's this nice board over here that you can just hit the ball against. So we're gonna see. What's up, you guys? We are back. We just finished playing some tennis. I got some footage on my phone, so I'll put that in somewhere in here. And then we played basketball. Whew. Man, I feel old. And next we're gonna go to the park and let him play around for a little bit more and get sleepy. But yeah, can't wait to get this hair done, man. But yeah, it was a good workout. Playing a little tennis. I really like tennis. It works out your arms, works out your legs, and just I advise do not wear Crocs. Do not wear Crocs doing these activities. So yeah, my daughter's back. We just got the water. Ooh, thirsty. You want cookies? Okay, give us 1 second. We're gonna go to the park. So yeah, next we're gonna go to this park. There's a park over here. There's 2 parks over here actually, but we kind of like the one that's a little bit further down the street. So we're gonna do that. Go home, shower, and I got a couple orders to make tonight, so I can try to get to the post office, and we'll see how that goes. Right? Yeah. Right? Is it good? Yeah. Good. Oh, I just walked through a big web. Ew. 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 Run. Come on. Go. It hurts. Ah. Alright, you guys, I'm back at home. About to get ready to start making. I have a mama sweatshirt and 2 tumblers to make. So right now I have to weed this vinyl and press it onto the shirt and ship it off to the post office.
Leave something for my son and my daughter in case of my departure. You know that I'll always try to get it right. I'm working hard to leave a legacy behind. Yeah, you know that I'll always fight for what is mine. I'm working hard to leave a legacy behind. Yeah. Leave it for my little ones, my real ones, for people trying to feel some, for all the bridges burned along the way and how we still run and still swim, even though we underwater, never hit the kill switch and overcome like everything we deal with. I still feel there's more for me to do until I call it quits. Everything I do is for the ones I love and miss. Take some time, water flowers till they grow and split, then take the seeds, plant them back and you control the ship. Navigating through the eye of the storm, live through the lows, got me higher in form. Soldier soul, now you got buyer's remorse. I stay composed when them blood suckers hit me.
Get this straight. We are getting ready to press the image onto the sweater for this customer, and yeah, just a cool, chill, collective Saturday. Nothing too crazy.
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrifice, 'cause you could not sleep without it. Girl, 'cause I love you. You are my girl. See, I thought the world of you, but so you know. Cause I love you. You are my girl.
Alright, you guys, so this is the final look of the sweater. Looks so cute. I'm gonna get ready to package this up and ship it off. You guys, so we are ending the night with a nice dinner, and I am lighting up the grill. So this is right. So got a nice couple of pieces of wood here and get ready to light it up. I'm using a Aldi brown bag because I don't have any fire starters, so we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it goes well. Like this one at the bottom. Hopefully it's not too smoky. It's almost there. As long as it catch the wood, that's all I worry about. You want to try not to use any gasoline because it'll get too smoky. And looks like my plan didn't work. Oh, hold on, let's see. Is it gonna work? Maybe not. I gotta find some twigs or something. It's already smoking up a little bit. That's okay. Just wanted to catch the wood. It caught a little bit of the wood. We got something going. Now see that? We got something going. We may have fire. This one over there. There we go. You see how it lit up like that? Looks like it's trying. It's getting there. We might have fire. That one right there is a good fire going. I think I'm gonna have to find some twigs. Hold on, yeah, let me get this fire going and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I finally got it lit. It took forever, but I got it lit and it's going. I'm just going to grab a cover it up. Get that on top there. And we got fire.